Okay, exercise number 3. If I wanted to capo for A and use my 1-4-5 chords for A, it would be A, D, and E. What I'm looking for is, you can do the march up thing where you play A sharp, B, C, C sharp. C sharp is the same as D flat. So my A chord shape would be at the 6th fret. I'd have to capo the 4th fret. What I prefer to do is, if I know I have to get to D flat, I look for D flat on the 5th string because the 5th string open is the root of my A chord. So I would capo the 4th fret and I would just get right there and I would know that my 1-4-5 chords are A, D, and E. But what I'd really be playing because of the capo is D flat, G flat, A flat. Okay, so I'm going to stay down here, capoed at the 1st fret, and we'll do exercise number 3. And let's do another rhythm. I will play rhythm number 6. So we're in 12/8. I will just be playing on the primary downbeat. That leaves a lot of space for you to do number 7 or number 8. So I'll be going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll be going, if you do number 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, or it's 12, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. If you choose to do number 8, and I think you probably should, it would be da 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 1, 2, and 3, 2, 2, and 3, 3, 2, and 3, 4, 2, and 3. So it'll sound slow because of what I'm playing. And if you're playing with me, it's still going to be challenging because subdividing at a slow tempo means you have to be really precise. If you're playing the other rhythms, you still have to be subdividing with me, but you're going to be playing and your transitions will have to come faster, your chord transitions. Okay, here we go. I'll do number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Five chord. Five chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 5,